At 4 a.m. the next morning, Nelson's division was awakened and formed into a battle line. With 60 rounds in their cartridge boxes, they moved slowly southward through the forest. Nelson's men came into a clearing and opened up on some enemy skirmishers near General Hurlbut's old headquarters at about 5:30 a.m. The Confederate resistance was minimal, and Nelson's brigades kept moving south. In a half mile, Nelson's skirmishers came into an open field named Wicker Field, just north of the Bloody Pond. This was the beginning of hour-and-a-half battle of desultory fire across Wicker Field as Nelson was ordered by Buell to halt. Apparently Nelson had gone too far, too fast, and now found his right flank exposed. He was ordered to wait until General Crittenden came up to support his right. By 10 a.m., Confederate leaders had pieced together a solid front, about 3 miles wide. Nelson now faced infantry under General William Hardee, supported by several Confederate batteries. The Union advance was now blocked because Buell suffered from lack of artillery support. Terrell and Mendenhall's Union batteries came up in support. Nelson proclaimed that it was a most refreshing relief. 4 more hours of heavy fighting in this area ended when the exhausted Confederates fell back at about 2 p.m. Nelson's men now held the Hamburg-Purdy Road. Battle of Shiloh, Nelson's division suffered 718 men, killed, wounded, and missing. In his after-action report, General Buell commended the general, saying, "I specially commend to the favor of the government for distinguished gallantry and good conduct, Brigadier General William Nelson."